Hi, and welcome to Wagmore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from Wagmore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be doing a super high protein, high fiber biscuit treat. We're going to be using apple, spinach, and chicken. So grab your four-legged ones, grab a pad and pen, and a few things we'll need from the kitchen, and let's get started. Our first ingredient and tool we'll need today is a measuring cup. We're going to be measuring out 2 cups of flour. We're just using an all-purpose unbleached flour. We'll go ahead and put that in the mixture. Next, we're going to grab our third measuring cup and we're going to take our low or no sodium chicken broth and carefully pour it and then add it to the flour in the mixture bowl. We're going to add one more of the chicken broth in the third measuring cup and add that back in as well. And then we're going to need our tablespoon, and grab your vegetable oil of your choice. We're going to go ahead and carefully pour and measure out 6 tablespoons worth, and you can put that right in the mix with the flour and the water. Next up, we're going to need our thawed out chicken tenderloins. Any choice brand of chopped spinach. We're going to use an 8-ounce container, followed by an apple, which is a Granny Smith in this recipe. First, we're going to take our chicken tenderloins, make sure they are boneless. Go ahead and grab the blender of your choice. It's approximately a 1-pound package of the chicken tenderloins. So we're going to squeeze them in between our blender. And then our next step is we're going to take our frozen package of the chopped spinach. Make sure also you get the no sauce included spinach. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. We're going to use about half the package, so approximately 4 ounces of chopped spinach is going to go in the mix with the chicken. After we get half the package of spinach broken up and into our mixture with the ground tenderloins, we're going to go ahead and dice up an apple. Again, just do the side pieces and make sure there is no core included with this mixture. We're going to go ahead, close our lid, blend it up really well. You can make it as puree-ish and as thick as you want for the mix to add into our flour. For this batch of dog treat cookies, we're going to use another tablespoon and take a good scoop and add that into your flour. And then we're going to go ahead and spend a few minutes on mixing up the batter. Our batters are all set and your batter is ready. We're going to go ahead and grab our rolling pin and our cookie cutter of choice. We are ready and loaded. We're going to go ahead and close our oven doors. Go ahead and preheat everything to 350 degree Fahrenheit. And we're going to do an approximately 10 to 12 minute bake time. And once the time is up, go ahead and turn off the oven, but keep the doors closed so that way the biscuits stay warmer longer and they can dry out for a longer lasting treat. Alright, we let the cookies dry out in the oven after we turned it off for a few hours. As of right now, the shelf life is probably about a week to 2 weeks at most at room temperature in a Ziploc bag. But if you want to take it a step further and make them dried out and last for months, go ahead and transfer your biscuits onto your dehydrator. We're going to go ahead and load up our dehydrator and set it for 165 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. We'll let them cool off after the dehydrator is done, and we're going to go ahead and test one. If you can snap it and there's no moisture on the inside, let's take a look at this one. It looks very dried out, so you're going to be good for a few months shelf life at room temperature. But most importantly, the test.